Hi everyone, this is Mr. Law again. Welcome back to our channel. So this one is 201 to the HCM question 31, and this is about HCF and LCM questions. Some of the students, they find the HCF and LCM, they will face some difficulties because I think they just put the wrong concentration on the first letter. What is the meaning of highest and least? And that really make them confused. So I would suggest that you just put your concentration on the second two letters, which is common factors and common multiples. So if you think about, actually, you will understand what is common factor and common multiples, I think, right? So actually, common factors, that means both of them have the same thing, then I will just take it out as the factor, as the common factor, okay? Okay? So common multiple, actually, whenever I can see a letter, I will just take it out because actually I will understand that both of them has a number of 1 there, and all the things are the multiple of 1. So that's why whenever you see a letters there or a number there, you would also take it out, okay? But when there are the same letters, okay, same letter, and I will just choose the highest one, the index, because actually multiple, I will choose the highest index, okay? And common factor, I will just choose the least index, okay? Because only the common factor, I will take it out, okay? So let's take a look how to do this kind of questions. So first of all, if you see there's a number, please help me to break it down as a prime factor index notation. That means you have to use the short division as the smallest prime number that you have. Normally starting with thinking about 2 and then 3 and then 5 and then 7 like this, okay? So this one I'll write down as 2 square. Also, this one you have to break it down as 2 square. So let's do it. So find the common factor first. So there's a common factor here. Sorry, there's a common factor here. So how do we know that what is the third polynomial here? So as you can see, there's no number here, right? Okay, so which means that there's no number for our third term, okay? Because there's no common factor for the number. No, the common factor for the number is 1, okay? So there's a 1 here, I can say, okay? Understand? So, how about the English letter? English letter, you can see that for the A1, for the A that one, I can only take out the index 1 here. That means the common factor for the A actually is only A to the power 1, okay? This is the common factor, okay? Understand? So, how about the next one? The next one is the B, right? The next one is the B. So let's take a look. For the B1, for the B that one, actually I have B squared here, I have B to the power 5 here. So let's take a look. We just have B to the power 4 here. How can you take out B to the power 5 if your index is not 5 for this one, okay? So I know that actually the highest index for this one is 5. In order, I can take a common multiple of B to the power 5, okay? So the last one, as you can see, actually there's low C here. Can you see there's no C in the HCF? So if there's a C here, I would take C as a common factor because these two also has a C, okay? Which means that here should have no C, okay? We don't have any C, okay? So actually this is the answer for the third term. So this is B, okay? So I hope that you understand our main concern is the common factor and common multiple, okay? Just don't think about what is the highest and the least like that, okay? Thank you for watching, okay? Please subscribe and like my channel, okay? Thank you, see you next time.